What is the best jet ski for rental? That's a good question. Well, I mean, let's see. The VXC is is popular from Yamaha. There was a GTI Pro, and then they made it the GTX Pro. I wouldn't ride a GTX Pro. I wouldn't, because again, it's the ST3 hull, and I don't know if I can't beat that horse. I don't know if I can beat that dead horse enough. So if they're still making the GTI Pro, but VXC, which is the rental unit, the VXC is a great unit.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.